Hello guys, welcome to Andigift graphics design. So today I'm going to show you how to create a business card or a community card with your smartphone. But before we start, please click the subscribe button, comment and like, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that anytime I post you'll be the first to see. So let's get back to the business of the day. So we head over to our Pixellab. We open it. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is to set the size. The size for the community card. This is not the size of the community card. So we head over here, click on this three dotted line. Click on the three dotted line. Then you click on image size. Click on the image size. So this is in the size. I use the size is in centimeter. It's in centimeter. So we're going to put it. So the size is 8850. 8850. That is it exactly. So if you are using, if your own is in inch is 3.5 by 2.0. So now we're done with that. So now we are going to change the background because I'm not using this background. I want to use a white background. So you head over here, you click, then click color. So I choose white background. Click OK. So before you start any design, you need to type down what you want the content that you're going to use on the background, on the design. What I mean on the text you're using that you're going to use. So like me, I've already written down, I've already typed down the thing that I want it to be. And you need to be creative. You need before I even start in design, I will imagine how I want it to look like. I will have an imagination of it first before I start the design. So let's get to the business. So I'll start with the design. Let me set shapes. So I'm going to use color based on my logo. If you have a logo, if you don't have, so you choose a color. So if you are designing, you don't need much color. A perfect design, 2 color is okay for design. So me, I like using primary colors. So I like using only 2 colors in my design. I don't like much colors in my design. If you put much color, the design doesn't make design look good. It look childish. So a mature design need 2 colors. So I'm going to use red. So I'm going to copy that. Copy. So color, change the color. Black. So I'll copy it again. Okay. So I want it to be okay, all of them DH are the same. See, our design is starting to be perfect. So now I need to bring in my text. So I already typed in my text, so I'll go to my notepad. Okay, this is my notepad. So first thing first, I'm going to bring in okay. Copy everything now. So copy everything. I know that it's inside my clipboard now. So I go back to our design. So add text. You click on this A sign here. If you want to add text, that's where you click to add text. So add text. You click on edit under the text properties. So I'll paste. Okay. So click under the text properties. I'll go to fonts. Click on fonts. That's AB. So I have some fonts I normally use. The one I install. So here are my fonts, the one I install. So I'm going to choose one of these. So I like things that are bold. Okay. Because I already imagine what I want my design to look like. That's why I don't have any issue. So I'll choose a font for this one. So I'm going to look for italicized font. You can see the same font, but I'll italicize it. See, so I'll reduce the size. Then position it well. You see, our complementary card, our business card, now coming out now. Okay, I'm going to bring in my logo now. So I'll arrange everything I keep. And the work will be easier. So you need to prepare any design you want to do. Arrange everything before you start the design. Type everything, keep it in order, so that it will be easier for you. Very simple. I don't need much thing. So now I'll bring in my informations. So I'm going to bring in my informations now. So we go to text, edit. So email, address, phone number. So I'm going to reduce the size. Okay. Now so I'm going to bring in so I'll get rid of this background. So, I'll check the size of the other. So I can, okay, 5. So I can make all of them to have equal size. So this to align it, I'll take it back to its position. Okay. See, just simple, very simple design. So see how enough space. Some people you may add what you list the things you can do, like say your services. But for me, I don't need to add any services since I have graphic design on top. So it's very simple. So you guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. So this, okay, let me show you how to save it as image. You can save it as image. So you click on the save icon. That save icon over there. Click on it. Then you choose save as image. Everything, the size is there already. So what you need to do is just hit save. Click on save. Hit save. So see it's save. So let's go to our gallery and see it is save. Okay, here it is. So how blue it is. Okay. So we choose the quality. Let's use ultra. Okay. Image save. So it's here. Very sharp. So you can play around on it. Like you can play around, you can change the background, see how it's going to be. You can play around it. Play around it. You can play around with the background. See. So if I want to use black background with another, let's say, so I want to show you. So 2 colors is the best. Let's see. I'll use gold color. I can work on the gold. Okay, that I can use STBL at once. Just want to show you if you are using, want to use another, want to use black background. Very simple. So that's how you make design. You play around it, you know what you do. Very simple. So I'll see you on my next video on how to create a flyers with a mobile phone. So please, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.